Was any actual sexual relation between you and this female child?
Yes.
How old was the child?
Only 11.
11? 11 years old. And how did you feel about that you commit such crime?
I feel good about it.
Do you have any conscious experience or any recollection about the time? What did you have in your mind when you involved to this crime? You remember, or you been drunk, or you've been under drug, or you've been intoxicated, or?
I was drinking.
You were drinking. What did you drink?
Whiskey.
Whiskey. Did you meet this child and this girl on the street?
Yes, she was.
This girl is a very well developed girl. Looks a few older than her age. 11 years, no? It could be a quite immature child, huh? A young girl. You have these experiences or these practices before, or this is just the first time?
No, I had it before.
We had this crime. You did commit this crime before, or similar? You have been recorded for similar charges before, huh?
No, I never been caught before.
Never been caught, but you have been in practice in this way that you abused a young child, huh?
Even my own daughter.
Even your own daughter. Now, how you feel about it? You do things like that. How did your wife feel? How did your wife feel about it?
My wife said something wrong.
It must have been.
Myself, I just assumed, the way I am right now, if I have to stay like this, I just soon go to jail and stay there.
In masturbation.
Yeah.
How often you masturbate a day or a week?
Sometimes three times a day.
It's too much. Why you do this when you have a good wife and she's an attractive lady? She must to have not been. She must have not been giving you too much sex satisfaction. Huh?
No,
Are you tired about your wife? Maybe interested in other women?
I'm interested in other women, and I don't know, I can't...
You ever get concerned about to have a matured woman? It's a big, tall, or husky, luscious-looking female. What you are interested in, big breast or small breast? In a woman.
Never tried it.
You have any homosexual experiences? I guess you had. What was it?
I mean, with someone
With
else?
men, with other boy.
Yeah.
You had.
When I was young.
What was it?
Just masturbating and stuff like that.
You try to masturbate other men, huh? Other
I
boys.
used to do it to me. And then I used to do
Masturbate.
it to
It's
them.
a public masturbation, I mean common masturbation. You engage in a common masturbation with other men, other young men. How long you did this, how long you have these practices, this?
Well, it started when I was in the Boy Scouts. We went on a hiking trip. We went camping. And that started, then this guy used to live near the house. He was quite old.
You have never had a guilt feeling when you masturbate? You don't understand that you are a sick man.
Well, I know there's something wrong, or I wouldn't do things like that. But if that's the way I am, why did I?
You have been in jail, you've been in House of Correction, you've been in reformatory, you've been in Lyman School and so forth, and you have been involved with criminal offenses as breaking and entering, assault and battery, and driving without authority and so forth, and then additionally you have moral charges, you involved with your own daughter, with other young immature children, female children, and then you have been trying to hang yourself, you've been assaulting other people, and you've been setting fire, and you've been quite intolerant and apprehensive and restless and depressed. And do you think you are a normal man? What do you think? And you still believe that you don't need help? At some time ago you thought that you need help.
I need help, but I don't know where I can get it.
You get it here, I guess.